My channel. So today I thought I'll share a recipe of banana pancakes. So for the banana pancakes I have taken some wet ingredients. I have taken 2 medium-sized bananas. I've smashed it up. I have taken 1 egg. I have taken 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I have taken 1 cup milk, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients together. Added all the wet ingredients, and I'm going to give it a good mix. If you can see that there are droplets of vanilla essence, I've also added a teaspoonful of vanilla, and I'm going to give it a mix. I'll be using 1 cup flour in it, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in it. I'm going to mix this all together in the wet mixture. Is ready, and I have left it for 15 minutes till I put it in my pan. I have added 2 tablespoons butter, and I'm going to add the pancake batter in it. So getting ready, you just have to let it turn till it gets golden brown. You can see that there are bubbles coming on the pancakes, which shows that this pancake needs to be flipped on the other side. So I'm going to do it right now in front of you guys. I'm going to flip the pancake to the other side. You can see it's getting done. Drizzle some honey on top of this. You can also use maple syrup. You can drizzle it with maple syrup. I have made at least 9 to 10 pancake servings, and it's enough for 4 to 5 people, guys. Give it a try and subscribe to my channel.